Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You will install Microsoft Edge because modern Edge includes Internet Explorer mode on Android. It's the supported path. First, confirm Android 8, 0 or higher and free space. This avoids install failures. Open Google Play and search Microsoft Edge, or download a verified APK if Play is unavailable. Once done, grant network and storage permissions so the browser can cache pages and save downloads. Sign into your Microsoft account to sync tabs, favorites, and to enable IE mode later. This saves time and keeps history consistent. Now configure Internet Explorer mode inside Edge so legacy sites render correctly. In Edge, go to Settings, then Default Browser, and locate Internet Explorer mode. Toggle the option to allow sites to be reloaded in IE mode. This tells Edge to emulate IE when needed. Next, add the specific URLs or enterprise domains that require IE behavior. This ensures consistent rendering and active X-like support when available. Make sure to restart the browser after changes, so the mode takes effect across sessions and tabs. You're ready to use IE mode. Open the target site, then tap the menu and choose Reload in Internet Explorer mode. This forces compatibility rendering. Test interactive elements and forms. If something breaks, clear cache and cookies, update Edge, and re-add the site to the IE list. These steps fix most issues. If a site still fails, try toggling the mode off and on, or use another device. Finally, pin frequently used pages to your home screen for faster access and consistent behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.